I'm Lily. I'm Jana. Give us the food and we'll give you the news. From China, from England, or even from Japan. Lily and Jana's Taste Test Reviews.
Owen. You show 4 food by the 2 most pickiest eaters in the world. Us.
Me.
Today we'll be trying,
Just you.
Today we will be trying Korean food. We've got kimchi. We've already tried rice, so we don't really need to try the rice. Weird potatoes, japchae, and this meat stuff. I don't really know what that is. I think it's bulgo. I don't even know what my mom said.
Me trying first.
We can try the japchae. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. I'm just gonna take a little bit.
Don't use your hands. That's so gross. Okay, Lily, what do you think?
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Wait, no, like, what do you think of it? What does it taste like?
It basically tastes like noodles, except more greasy with my hand.
Yeah.
Ew, that's so gross. Okay, Elaine, what do you think?
It's good. Thumbs up.
Okay. Kimchi next, I believe.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, let me just see it real quick before you eat it.
It looks
Look how
disgusting.
spicing that is. It looks so spicy.
I know. All right, let's try it. I'm not sure if this looks spicy.
Get that one.
Okay.
And I'll get this one.
Here, I'm just gonna
Just pick it up.
break it off.
Just eat it. No,
It's
just.
spicy, so I don't want to get too much of it.
Ready?
Well, you don't know that. You don't know that yet.
First, go
I go
first.
first. You go first.
No, you go first.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Don't spit it out in front of the audience, okay? If you're gonna spit it out, just swallow it. Just swallow it. Did you have milk?
Yes, I have milk.
What does it taste like? What is it? Does it taste
Like
good?
spicy salad. It tastes like cabbage with like jalapenos on it. It tastes gross. It's bleh, bleh.
Like the Vegemite last week?
Yeah, I like the Vegemite, except spicier. Like
No, it
It's
wasn't
like-
spicy. It tastes like oil.
literally No, this is spicier. Literally like jalapeno, like flaming jalapenos.
Okay, now I'm back to.
Oh.
Were you gonna eat it again?
Yeah. It's kind of good.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a cucumber on fire. I don't know. It's okay.
Yeah, you're kind of like.
It's like
No.
a cucumber on fire.
It wasn't that bad.
Okay, now we're going to be trying.
The potato thingies?
Let's try the meat.
Sit down, Lily. Don't want you to choke. Oh, my finger keeps on getting in the way with the camera. Lily, you go first. What does it taste like?
Tastes like
Does it taste
like
sauteed meat?
No, it
'Cause that's
tastes
what I
like
thought it tasted
sweet, like
Yeah.
juicy sweet meat.
Does it taste like sauteed meat or like
It tastes
saturated
like
meat?
here. It tastes like
I've already tasted it.
sweet, juicy meat.
It was
Tastes
really
like
good though. I
beef
really
jerky.
liked it.
Yeah,
It tasted like beef
good,
jerky.
but
It's good, yeah.
Sweet.
Like a soft beef jerky.
Yeah, it was really good. Okay, let's just finish off with that potato. It looks really good.
Let's see. Oh, it's salty.
Are you gonna swallow it?
Yeah, it's good, but it's salty.
It's good.
Yeah. So just
That's good.
okay, Lily. What is it? Thumbs up and Lily.
Thumbs up. You got thumbs up for me. Thumbs up for the potatoes. Elaine.
Both. Thumbs up.
Yeah, they sound really good. Here, can I have a little bite? Here, let me try. Hold on a second. Oh. I don't like it. I don't like it. I went to go get something for Jana because she does not feel well. So I guess that was the Korean food edition
Okay,
of Taste
let me
Test
say
Reviews.
something. Let me
Okay,
say
what were we gonna say?
We are signing off with a special edition of Korean Taste Test Reviews.